Welcome to our channel. Mental toughness separates good players from great competitors in tournament golf. These strategies will help you develop a winning mindset. Step 1. Establish a clear pre-tournament routine. Arrive early, warm up consistently, and follow the same preparation process before every competitive round. Familiarity reduces anxiety and builds confidence. Step 2. Focus on process goals rather than outcome goals during competition. Instead of fixating on your score, concentrate on executing your pre-shot routine and making committed swings. Process goals keep you present. Step 3. Develop emotional control techniques. When frustration arises after a poor shot, use breathing exercises or a physical trigger like adjusting your glove to reset your emotional state before the next shot. Step 4. Create a short memory for bad shots. Champions forget poor shots quickly and refocus on the present moment. Dwelling on mistakes creates negative momentum and undermines confidence. Step 5. Practice pressure situations during your preparation. Play competitive rounds with friends, create betting games, or simulate tournament scenarios during practice to become comfortable with pressure. Step 6. Maintain proper physical care during tournaments. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and get adequate sleep. Physical fatigue directly impacts mental performance. Step 7. Embrace challenges and view difficult situations as opportunities. Mental toughness grows when you successfully navigate adversity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.